What's up guys, Christian here, welcome back to All About Me. And today we're gonna have another video from Anna. She'll be unboxing and reviewing a HAYLOU earphones this time. If you missed the first review that she did, make sure to check it out. There's a link here, or you can check in the description as well. And if you want to follow her social media, there's a link in the description, and also you can check out the links here. And by the way, if you are interested to be featured in this channel, make sure to drop me an email or maybe comment down below if you're interested. If you are close by, you're somewhere in the UK, probably I'll send you a product for a review. So make sure to connect with me and we can discuss further. Right, let's get on with the video.
Hi everyone, I'm Anna, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing the HAYLOU GT2S True Wireless Earbuds. These earbuds came packaged well, and inside the box you get the earbuds themselves along with their wireless charging case, a micro USB charging cable, a user manual in both Chinese and English, and 2 more pairs of silicone ear tips. In total you get 3 pairs of ear tips, small, medium and large, to ensure that the earbuds fit comfortably and securely into anyone's ears. These wireless earbuds stand out to me because of their extremely compact size. The charging case is considerably smaller than that of Apple's AirPods and easily fits into a small bag or pocket. Not only are they small but also very lightweight, weighing only 30 grams overall. I definitely give these earbuds a 10 out of 10 for portability. The earbuds use Bluetooth 5.0 to wirelessly connect to your phone, tablet, laptop, etc. and I haven't had any connection issues. HAYLOU advertises the Bluetooth range to be about 10 meters, which I'd say was about right. Upon the first use, you will need to manually pair the earbuds to your phone, and then after that they will auto connect for easy Bluetooth pairing. These earbuds also have built-in mics, so you can accept and make calls hands-free. And you can also choose to use only one earbud for mono mode or both for stereo audio. I have found the earbuds to be comfortable to wear. They don't fall out when I'm exercising, so are ideal to wear whilst working or when at the gym. I'm no audiophile, but the sound quality overall is nice and clear for vocals. High, medium pitches and the bass isn't bad either for a tiny pair of earbuds. I'm happy overall with the audio when listening to podcasts and music. Moving on to battery life. The wireless charging case takes 3 hours to charge fully and then gives you a whopping up to 12 hours of battery life. The earbuds themselves hold up to 4 hours charge each time, so with a fully charged case that gives you another 2 full charges. Overall, these are a brilliant, compact and lightweight pair of true wireless earbuds, and they retail for only around £20, which is excellent value in my opinion. So that's everything for my review, and if you would like to purchase the HAYLOU GT2S True Wireless Earbuds, I will put the purchase links below in the video description.
Alright, thank you Anna for that wonderful unboxing and review video. If you want to check out our channel, make sure to click the link in the description below. If you want to purchase the product, I have a link in the description below as well. And don't forget, if you want to connect or you want to be featured in this channel, make sure you connect with me. Alright, this has been Christian. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.